Hi, my name is Bill Lackey. I'm the VP of Automation here at Motion Solutions. This is our Cirris cable tester. And what we do with this is what we found in the field is about 90% of our issues come from cables and connectors. And what I mean by that is failure points. Anytime you have a connector, you have a potential failure point in a product. So what we use this for is we use it to test between pin to pin, pin to ground, and also from a HIPOT standpoint, so we can put up to 1500 volts through the connections and make sure there aren't any things like cold solder joints or nicks in cables such that, you know, a jacket has a nick in it that you wouldn't normally find. It would test fine right up until the point where it starts flexing and things like that, and then you would actually get a short. So it allows us to do all of that sort of testing ahead of time to make sure that all of the cables that go out of Motion Solutions are 100%.